Understanding Digital Textbooks, a Guide to Modern Learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of digital textbooks. These innovative tools are transforming how we learn and access information. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious about digital education, this video will shed light on what digital textbooks are and why they're important. Let's get started. A digital textbook, at its core, is an electronic version of a traditional print textbook. But it's so much more than just a digital copy. These textbooks are accessible on computers, tablets, or smartphones, offering a dynamic and interactive learning experience. They often include features like hyperlinks, audio and video integrations, and interactive quizzes, making learning more engaging and interactive. One of the key advantages of digital textbooks is their accessibility. They are easily portable and can be accessed from anywhere, reducing the need for physical books. They're often more affordable than traditional textbooks and can be updated easily, ensuring that the content is always current. Additionally, digital textbooks support different learning styles with features like text-to-speech, adjustable text sizes, and interactive elements that cater to visual and auditory learners. Switching to digital textbooks has a significant positive impact on the environment. It reduces the need for paper, which in turn lowers the demand for tree cutting and printing. This not only helps in conserving natural resources but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with the production and transportation of physical books. While digital textbooks offer many benefits, there are challenges to consider. Not all students have equal access to the necessary technology, which can create a digital divide. Additionally, reading from screens for extended periods can lead to eye strain. It's important to balance the use of digital textbooks with good screen time practices to maintain eye health. Digital textbooks are a powerful tool in the realm of education, offering dynamic, accessible, and eco-friendly options for learners. As technology continues to evolve, the way we learn and teach is transforming, making education more accessible and engaging than ever. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of digital textbooks and how they are shaping the future of learning. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.